Hi, I'm Dusti Martin with Martin Properties at Platinum Living Realty. Welcome to my newest listing at 8910 East Lazywood Place in Carefree, Arizona. Located in the foothills near the Tonto National Forest in the town of Carefree, this home has stunning views of one of Arizona's most picturesque places to live. This property sits on a full acre, has city water services, a gas stove for the discerning cook in the family, and has an extremely low maintenance HOA with incredibly low fees of only $5 a month. Because of its location near Pima and Cave Creek Road, it's just 25 minutes from your door to the Bartlett Lake Marina, just minutes from multiple golf courses, dining, shopping, and hiking trails in and around Carefree. The home is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It has 1,811 square feet inside and an enormous covered patio boasting 3 large outdoor fans and plenty of afternoon shade, perfect for outdoor entertaining. With views of the Tonto National Forest and natural desert landscaping, it creates a very private retreat where you can be near nature and enjoy the local wildlife, but also be close to the town and everything you need. If I haven't mentioned it already, the highlight of this property is its amazing views. And the numerous large windows and sliding glass doors throughout the home take advantage of those views and bring in tons of natural light. For more information or to schedule a private showing, give me, Dusti Martin, a call at 480-717-9405. Thanks.